Hi and welcome to EliteWorks. My name is Zach and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a blog post to your website. So the first thing you want to do is come over here where it says website, click blog, and click search. This is where you can view your blogs. So you just want to click right here on this blog and then click posts. This will take you to where you can see all your blog posts, and we've added a couple for you already. So to add a new one, you just click add. And the name of it, this is where you type in the title for your blog post. And the content is what the blog is going to be about. So let's just type some random things. Okay, and then you hit add. Now that we've added it, you want to click on it again right here. And this is where you can add an image to your blog post. So just click set featured image right here, and we'll just use this one. Then you hit save changes. Now when we go to your website, you click blog, and there it is. That's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.